Cinnamon and Zipper. Their dad is Mocha, and their mother is Liz. Cinnamon is a chocolate merle. Very rare color. And Zipper is a nice chocolate. And she has just a little brindling in her. Very pretty eyes.